Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a Claude AI conversation. So first of all, you need to come here on Claude.ai, then simply log in into your account first if you haven't already. Now, when you are here on the Claude AI's dashboard, you need to simply just hover over to the left hand section. Then among the given options, you need to click on your profile. Now over here, click on the option of settings. This way you are going to basically land on the Claude AI's settings. Now when you are inside the setting, you just have to click on the option of privacy, and here you will be shown the option of export data. Now over here, when you click on the option of export data, you will be able to basically export the copy of your Claude data. So this is going to export the conversation history and the account data rather than just one selected conversation. So after you submit the request of basically exporting the data, Claude is going to prepare your export, and you don't need to keep the settings page open while it is being generated. When it is ready, Claude is automatically going to download the file, or it may send you the downloaded file on your email address which is connected to your account. So you can just simply get that particular data and you can download that particular exported file. Now you need to remember that the download link is going to expire after 24 hours. So make sure that you save the export before it expires. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.